In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, open Play Store to install free app, Codefiles by Google, which is a free app from Google developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it. Now, to use it, select Continue. Click on the gray switcher next to Allow Permission, and finally tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Select Clean. Hit Clean next to Junk Files, and last but not least, Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, my storage was already clean, but if I would have any junk files, that would be successfully deleted. Now, if you want to use this app daily, instead of entering it each time, just find it on your display, hold it, and hit clean. This way you will get transferred to this section right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!